Belt driven. Got my steering too high. Yeah, you could call it. I stopped.
You would have caught me.
Yeah, I started to give it gas, but I seen what was going. I didn't want to run into you.
I think it's pretty close though. You'll get there quicker for sure.
Yeah. I took off slow though.
3, 2, 1, go. You need traction easy.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. It's the tires.
Still gotta tweak it out. I want to run it a little rich still. I just finished.
Yeah, I don't blame you for sure.
3, 2, 1, go.
I took off that time.
Oh, yeah, you did.
Let's see if I can catch you. Oh!
What the hell was that all about?
It's starting to wake up. That's what it is. I was like, let me see if I can catch you. Yeah, belt driven. See if I can... Oh, I was coming, but I couldn't catch you.
360.
They're like 6 smoking when they come out. Nice and smooth.
Oh, shit. Bro,
Yeah. Hold on. Oh. Nice.
Oh, I saw a raindrop.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh shit.
I try to get in front of you so I can stop it. Look, even I gotta do that right now.
Well,
Yeah, rain, I feel
my
it.
shit's acting all crazy right now.
Oh.
Not bad for a freaking crankcase that's fucking 30 years old.
Yeah.
It's had probably 10 sleeves through it.
Oh.
Alright, head's on.
Yeah, it got a little hole right there. Nice.
Oh shit. What the heck, man?
We should stay on. We should have went in the middle so we could have stayed on that side. Yeah. You go up and go around that second cone, that pole 5, come back down, come around this one.
Show me the lap. Show me. What do you usually do?
Oh, in here we usually set up cones and shit.
Oh, all right.
But for right now, we could just go around this one like an oval and then come back around.
Which, oh, second one or third one?
The foam's off, but I should have left them on. Ooh, he getting me.
I don't even have a sway bar kit on this thing.
Me either.
I will be putting it on.
Ooh. Nice.
Oh, I was put that pole. So close.
That was a good one.
Oh man, I keep thinking too far.
That was a nice one. That was nice. If I caught it on camera, I would put that in slow mo.
I think that if I turn that way, that's my car kicks out more that way.
You want to go the opposite way?
Try it. I know my shaft drive does that like a bastard.
We both must have been nailing it. We spun out. Oh, I went way wide. Oh, no control. What's going on here?
Yeah, my shit was just whacked.
I'm spilling out still? Yeah, I thought you were doing it on purpose at first. I'm coming. Oh. Maybe I need to turn down my steering. Keep overturning. There we go.
I'm gonna go knock that towel over. Like what SWAT cars over here, circle.
Yeah, that was a good save.
Gosh, all day. Can't keep up with the brushwood.
Oh, that was a nice inside one.
Dang it, let off! If I can hook up, oh man, I'd be fucking flying around this corner.
Yeah.
Oh shit, hello. I'm hoping the sway bar kit's gonna help with this. Dang it.
Ooh, nice one. You had me. Listen, how'd you do it if you were doing the thing?
What?
The I straight overshot that one.
This is probably like a 1/16 scale track. I am not hooking up at all.
Ooh, nice one. Ooh.
I cheated, I went way out.
Ooh. My bad, bro.
How about that, buddy?
My bad.
Hey, that's what you get right there for 13 bucks. It shatters. Hey, that ain't the first impact. You can see the crease. I lost my receiver pack. It went wide open. Hit a curve and then into a building.
What?
Yo, luckily there was like no damage. Those big foam bumpers.
You know what you do? I Gorilla Tape these bodies. So even
Yeah, give it extra strength.
yeah.
You know what else I was thinking? Flex seal.
Yeah,
I was gonna try that.
One of my bodies, I sent away to get it spray paint. When it came back, it had Flex Seal in it. Strong.
Undercoat.
Yeah.